is the alternative assessment high-fidelity mockup. Our system is Mindcare Center Customer Relationship System. My metric number is 81EC. My name is Abdullah Ali Noor. I am section 1. My use case is manage feedback. For our presentation today, we have eight contacts. First, introduction, overall UI flow, use case diagram for my use case, manage feedback, and assigned use case in phase 3, related AD that aligned to use case flows for use case 4, self-reflection, prototype demo, and conclusion. If we start for our introduction, first, the Mindcare Customer Relationship System, MCCRS, just a short way of our system name. Software is used by N. Muhammad Noor Hafiz, to the manager director of the Mindcare Center, as well as the rest of the employees and the other users, to manage the decision of psychological therapy between a therapist and their patients or consumers, managing consumers' information and registration, the setting up appointments, getting comment, and occasionally altering system data. The feature that will be added to the system and that will help it to define its goal and purpose are described in depth in this document, which will also keep track of how the system responds to inputs and interface changes. The audience for this document assessment will include Mr. Mohti Noor Hafiz, Manager Director of the Mindcare Center, as well as the stakeholders. The design of view process steps will be done using computerized system, which helps to it will be easier to manage their scheduling of visit and treatment if anywhere handy and simple to use. Secondly, this is our all UI flow. We have welcome page, login, the main system, the feedback questions, and the last one we will explain it for the prototype. For this one is our system use case, all of our system use case. As you can see on the screen, first use case is register customer. Second one, appointment module, set appointment and confirm appointment data. There are another two use case, as you can see on the screen. This is my use case for manage feedback. So if we this assigned use case in phase 3 is this is the history login, and therefore the history login we have create initial use case, add in related requirement is use case ID is use case 4. This is the use case that I created. As you can see on the screen, the name of the created is mine, and for the use case description is this use case is used by customer, therapist, and system administrations to give and receive feedback regarding the progress and the system of Mindcare Center. Actors that will use this use case is customer, therapist, and system administrator. The precondition is the customer has undergone consultation with the therapist. So normal flow of the use case is customer log into the system, customer enter the feedback, customer the system passes the feedback from the customer enter their feedback from AF1. The system will pass feedback on the database. The system, as you can see on the screen, no need to read it, that these all things. And then we have alternative flow. The system will pop confirmation button on the customer will cancel. M4 is executed. If the system fail, the system will display error message on the screen. M4 is executed again. So for if we, this is the related diagram or the activity diagram of the system. First, customer log in the system, then it displays main page, then the customer uses the feedback option, and then it displays the, when you choose feedback, then it displays the feedback form. Also, he enter the answers. Then if it says yes, confirm, then the database system administrator, the database party will accept it. They log in. If there is no, they go back to the juice feedback page. Next, the self-reflection. My self-reflection. I am better able to comprehend each area of requirement engineering thanks to this design high fidelity project. Although I utilized several technologies for this project, such as Figma and mockup classes, for this high fidelity prototype, similar to regular web pages, the prototype is user-friendly and realistic, again a general understanding of this subject and learned how to apply theory into actual world, greater comprehension of the layout of the websites in the actual world. In addition, we have done everything everything we can to make this project the best as we can. Yes, we occasionally made some errors, but we always worked to fix them by supporting one another. So if we now here this prototype link, if we click it, it will be the, I use it Figma for this prototype. So as you can see here, prototype, we started first. First, the system will show us welcome page. So it says, welcome to my care system. Hello, find the best therapist doctor in the world in our system. Without get start button, you can't click it anything. You can't go to the next one. So we say get started. When we say get started, the customer need to enter the username and password. If it is not click username and password, he can't log in. So if he didn't click login, he didn't give another option. So when we click login, we will go to the main page of the system. So for the main page of the system, we have appointment, schedule appointment, and feedback. So if you choose appointment or schedule appointment, the system is not doing anything. He say click feedback because in this system we just made for the use case feedback. So if you click feedback, you see feedback questions. They are here in some questions, and it says go to the comment. If we confine when it answers all, it says confirm. Without confirming, you can't go to the next page. So it says confirm. When you confirm, it says successful. We appreciate your feedback. Please continue. When please continue. When appreciate a member of your management team will get in touch with you. So for this one, you have two options. You can go back to the home page. That is this one for the feedback, or you can exit the system. If you exit the system, you will go back to the sign in login page. So that's it for my prototype. So next we will go back to our presentation slide. So here we have conclusion. So the purpose of this presentation was to demonstrate the operation of the documented paradigm recommended paradigm. We gained practical experience creating system software model when the model was being launched. As a result of this presentation, we gained a better grasp of how to uncover use cases and turn them into diagram by utilizing our knowledge of state transition diagrams and UI flow design. We also learned how strengthen and develop a sector system for the benefit of the people. Uh, Thank you for watching this video, and I hope all of you are well.